Today's recipe: cranberry bread. Ingredients: 1½ cups wheat bran flakes or oat flakes, it tastes better. 2 cups flour, white, whole wheat, or buckwheat. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1 cup sugar, white, brown, or honey. 1/13 pinch of salt. 1/2 cup chopped nuts. 1 egg. 1 cup halved cranberries. 1 cup orange juice. 2 tablespoons oil. Directions: preheat oven to 325 degrees. Stir together bran or oat flakes, flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, sugar, and nuts in a big bowl. In a small bowl, beat egg until foamy. Add oil, OJ, and cranberries, mix well. Add to dry ingredients, mix thoroughly. Bake in greased loaf pan at 325 degrees for 1 hour and 10 minutes, or till toothpick comes out clean. Cool for 10 minutes before removing from pan.